Today we're going to show you guys how to swap out the Dethatcher, which is inside of the machine right now for the Senjo, to the Scarifier. We're also going to answer a question today from Sherwood Boxers. They said they were given a Senjo. It has the Dethatcher in it, which is what we have. They have the Scarifier attachment, but they mentioned they are missing the end plastic cap here and wanting to know if they can just swap out the one with the Dethatcher. So let's take it apart real quick and look and see if we can answer that question for them. So to swap this out, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna flip it over like that. And you'll notice here on one side you have these Allen screws that we need to take out. So they are metric and it looks like it's a 5mm. So we're just gonna loosen this up. Loosen the other one up. And then just wiggle this out and then slide. So you're gonna wiggle, pull that way and push it that way until it hits the edge here and then pull it out. And take out any grass that's tangled in the machine because we got Bermuda down here. And it looks like there's a little washer here that slides on. I'm gonna leave that there for now. And the question was, can we swap the plastic in that we have from this one with the plastic in from this one? And this little metal thing looks like popped off with the bearing. But we're gonna slide this out of here, this little metal piece, put this back on. So to answer the question, these are the same, the plastic pieces. So you can take the plastic piece from your Dethatcher and you can put it on your Scarifier. So I'm gonna show you guys. And if you're installing a new one for the how to install this, this hex end has to get lined up and put in just right. Make sure it's aligned, we have to spin it. And then you would just put this, make sure this seats properly. And once you feel it seat, you just take your two Allen bolts here and hand tighten these in real quick. And then grab your 5mm Allen key or hex wrench here and tighten that down. And that's how you change out the bottom from either a Dethatcher to a Scarifier or vice versa. Just take these two bolts off and swap it. And yes, the end plastic piece that comes with this is interchangeable.